Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. Check that you have Windows 10/11 or a GTK-capable Linux install, and that Python 3.10 is available. Once done, install pip, GTK3 libraries, and Git so the GUI can build. These are required for compilation and runtime. Make a dedicated work folder and enable admin rights for installs. Also, back up any account credentials now. This prevents lockouts later. Proceed immediately to clone the project repository and review the README file for version-specific notes. Next, clone the Gui Chomik repository and check out the recommended release tag. This ensures compatibility. Then run pip install R requirements. txd to pull Python packages, and use your system package manager to resolve any missing native libraries. Once dependencies are satisfied, run the included build or setup script to compile UI resources. After compilation, open the config file, insert API keys, endpoints, and set UI preferences so the app authenticates correctly. Make sure logs are enabled to trace error. Now launch the application using the launcher or by running Python main. Py inside a virtual environment. This isolates dependencies and avoids system conflicts. Test core flows. Log in, browse files, upload and download to confirm network and permission behavior. If something fails, open the log file and increase verbosity to capture stack traces, then reinstall or pin the specific package versions that caused errors. As a final tip, clear cached credentials and retry authentication. Many issues stem from stale tokens or corrupted local settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.